Hi, my name is Caroline and I'm a student at William Patterson University. And today this lesson is for at home. For if your children are actual hearing impaired, this activity is water bottle bowling. So it is focusing on bowling and underhand throwing or rolling. So you could use any ball at home. This is actually my dog's ball. It's pretty heavy. Even if you have a bigger ball, then add more water bottles. And then you will have a bunch of water bottles. I have about 5 in this activity. And you're going to fill them up only partial. Because the heavier it is, the harder it will be to knock them over. So even if your child can't hear very well, they could still look at the diagrams and pictures and they can still participate in this easy activity to do at home. So I am going to use this ball and I am going to underhand throw it.